Oh, that's cool. Is that a metal frame around that with a wood gate,
So that
or is
this is
it
just
all?
a wood dock that I made
Okay.
that like
Yeah.
just attaches to the frame. But this metal piece basically just clamps onto the end of any kind of standard culvert. This is a 16-inch culvert,
Oh,
but
good.
they I think they make this style up to 2 feet, and this guy was like $800. They make kind of more pro ones that are, I mean, they're quite expensive. You know, they're $2,000 or $3,000. But if depending on what kind of work you want to get done, like so like say for example, you really want to be able to, you know, get into this area with your pigs and stuff, but the water's too high. It's like, you know, having like a 2 foot culvert or something that you could just blow out and drop the whole level like overnight. Um, and then, you know, stop the beavers